Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing this oversized silicone mat that I use for my art. Because I work with resin, I want to make sure that I protect my surfaces from the resin falling onto it. I've tried several other silicone mats that were either not large enough or were too thin, and this mat really works well. The quality of the silicone mat is 100% food grade silicone, and it's also heat resistant. And because of the nice thickness, it is very durable and not easy to tear. This mat is very easy to clean, and I'm going to show you how I do it to get the resin pieces off. I use a little bit of isopropyl and then a plastic scraper and just move around the rubbing alcohol and then wipe it off to get those dried pieces of resin to come off. You could also just use some water and dish soap, and that would easily clean this as well. The size and quality of this mat is great, and I absolutely love it.